Good afternoon and welcome to the Trade Exchange Market Wrap-Up for Thursday, October 8th, 2015. We are built for traders by traders. I want to go over some interesting activity for today. Taking a look at S&P 500 higher by 0.88%. We see a very interesting bullish tone taking shape right after the 2 p.m. Eastern Time FOMC minute announcements and going right through the close. Taking a look at other indices, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, and FTSE all finishing higher today. West Texas Intermediate crude at 49.65, gold at 1138.88, silver at $15.70, lower by 2.24%. 10-year yield at 2.10, dollar index, the DXY at 95.306, lower by 0.20%. Taking a look at economic activity for tomorrow, we do have import and export prices at 8:30, wholesale traded at 10, and Baker Hughes count at 1 p.m. Upgrades and downgrades, we do have CPGX upgraded to buy at Jefferies, PAY upgraded to buy at strong buy, at Raymond James, Morgan Stanley upgraded to outperform at JMP, MTD upgraded to buy at Evercore, and YUM upgraded to neutral at Credit Suisse. On the downgrade side, SWX downgraded to hold at Jefferies from buy, and GLS downgraded to hold at Jefferies. Looking at the option activity, we'll review MXIM in just a moment. NOW May 65 put activity, 2,000 contract block at $6.10. HTZ October 20 call activity, 4,200 contracts at 15 cents, and HUN just a continuation of November 16 call on in terms of sweeps, a little bit different than just a block. Obviously, sweeps are just a collection of smaller transactions pooled in together, and that we saw that in HUN November 16 calls. Reminder: when you're purchasing puts on the offer, this tends to be a bearish sentiment. Purchasing calls on the offer, it tends to be a bullish sentiment. On MXIM call option activity, wanted to review this at 9:45. We still have November 37 call activity, and you really saw an interesting positive trend for this stock throughout the day. Again, detecting 9:45 MXIM November 37 call activity. Just see a nice volume uptick in that. You see that towards the left of your screen. Reviewing highlighted filings, MIRN 13D filed by Sophie Nova Venture Partners, reporting 14.17% stake. BOX Chief Executive Officer purchasing a 10,000 share lot at $11.90. On LOCO, did have a level alert from Zozo Stockwatch earlier today at $11, and that was at 9:42. Merger and risk arbitrage. We did have new situations from BMR and BX. Biomed Realty agreed to be acquired by Blackstone for $23.75 per share in cash, representing a premium of 24% and a transaction value of $8 billion. On EMC and Dell, we heard this all day. According to Wall Street Journal sources, Dell and EMC are discussing a deal. It's unclear whether talks are focused on the entire company or a partial takeover. Certainly saw some activity in EMC today. So what does the Trade Exchange do? We do have a report on real-time, larger than usual option activity, insider transactions, company filings, smart filters, social media news, technical analysis updates, level alerts, volatility and volume alerts. And we do provide this information via a number of different portals, including the Squawk Audio service, Trade Exchange Forum, and the new Trade Exchange live feed. We do have an interactive news desk that you can speak to a news analyst at any time. So we do encourage you to reach out to us, www.thetradeexchange.com, email thetradeexchange at thetradeexchange.com, or via phone 203-939-1250. Thank you for joining us on this market wrap-up of the 8th of October. Thank you for joining us. We're wishing you a great night, and we are built for traders by traders. Thanks, folks. See you in the morning.